Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I am journaling in Lamentations chapter 3 in verse 25, where it says, "The Lord is good to those who hope. The Lord is good to those whose hope is in him, to the one who seeks him." So I just love that verse. It is real encouraging. So I thought it would be perfect passage to do my journaling in. And also this page has a lot of space, so I thought that it would just look really great. So I'm actually going to write out the whole verse on here. But what I want to do is do some watercolor splotches, and I follow a really great Bible journaler who is on Instagram and YouTube, and the channel is Scribbling Grace. She also has a blog, but she just recently put out an entry where she just did some simple watercolor blobs, I guess, or little, I'll put the link for her video down below. If you go watch it, just please let her know that I sent you over to her channel, because I'm in love with her channel. She is an amazing artist and Bible journaler, and she's wonderful to listen to as well. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the watercolor and then write in my lettering on top, add some details to it, and then that will be it. So let's go ahead and get started with this entry. here's my final entry. I really love how this turned out. I apologize for the end there. I think my space kind of went away on my phone, so I didn't quite get all of the highlighting. I used my Jelly Roll Sakura Jelly Roll white small pen. I originally had that big chalk marker, but I would have messed it up. So this worked really well on the watercolor. I've tried this on acrylic and it doesn't, for me, it didn't work. But it did work really well on this, and I think it really added a nice little highlight onto everything. And I was really happy with the way that my bigger words came out. I'm really into doing different kinds of lettering and trying out different things, so that's what I did on here. I went in with this Zig Millennium pen to put little crosses on certain colors and little dots, and I did that with my white pen as well, and so that just added a little bit more detail to the page. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and check out Scribbling Grace's YouTube channel, and I will link the video where she does this same sort of entry as well. She's an amazing journalist, so follow her over there and let her know that I sent you over there. I'll see you later. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.